Alam ko patapos na tayo ng 2025 pero gusto mo bang makontrol yung gastos and matrack yung pera mo this month? Well, isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo, kailangan mo na gumamit ng budget tracker. By the way, hi, I'm Tina, Head of Digital Marketing dito sa Pera University. And for today, papakita ko nga sa inyo kung paano ba ginagamit yung budget tracker template na meron tayo. After your purchase, automatic may masisend sa'yo na link and you just have to open that link para ma-open mo yung file. So after mo ma-download yan, pwede mo nang ma-open yan sa Google Sheets, sa Excel, or sa Canva. And here, meron tayong note na please read this page before starting your budgeting journey. So, ayun nga, how to start. Step 1, go to monthly budget overview tab and may kita mo yan dito sa baba. And here, kapag na-open mo yan, dito sa settings may kita mo yung year, yung month, and yung currency. So, pwede mong palitan yan, depende kung anong month ka na ba magsa-start. And after that, pwede mo na rin ilagay yung total income mo. And step 2, may kita mo dito yung bills, yung savings, yung debt, yung subscriptions and expenses. Ikaw na bahala maglagay and ikaw na bahala mag-fill in ng name, due, and plan. And step 3, go to transaction log. So, here you can add bills, subscription, expenses, savings, and debt. So, diba, it's a clear overview ng gastos mo, mas controlled na rin yung budget mo, so less utang, and mas mabilis ka na makakaipon. So, diba, for this simple file, magiging organized na and magiging guided ka na every month. Kaya naman, if you want more free guide, follow us at Pera University.